Alright, so after a hell of a trip, we're finally gonna do some well-needed R&R. Um, sorry, yeah, my camera. At a normal hotel. no thugging it out, because that last day, the last few days before you go back to the trip, we usually try to book a whole bunch of stuff and do, but this time it's like, yeah, no, because I have to go to work immediately after this, and we're just gonna keep resting. But in order to be fair to me, we're gonna do this little R&R. So yeah. About to get our keys and stuff, and I asked for another round, and the lady was nice enough to give Amelia another round too. I did use that to give Amelia another round too, and she been a wuss. Now I ain't even spiked this drink for her yet or nothing. Alright, y'all, good morning. I should have ordered room service. Damn. But I'm gonna walk over to this breakfast spot and get some food because Sleepyhead is still asleep. And I need to do some work while she catches all the Z's for the both of us. Well, I mean, I tapped out way earlier than she did last night, but whatever. See, I'm just gonna walk around until I can find the entrance to the resort. Yeah. beach was amazing. Like, excuse me, absolutely amazing. They had a little something of everything, and just the aesthetic alone won me. And y'all know I'm a sucker for a nice clean aesthetic, so they won on that. And kudos, hats off. Well, I'm not taking the hat off my head like a mess up under this, but hopefully Sleepyhead is up and we could probably go sit by the beach or something, or enjoy the little pool that walks out of our bedroom, or our room rather, because it's finally stopped raining. So we'll do that, and I'll probably try to edit. Probably won't happen, but I'm gonna try to edit some of this vlog. And I'm just still walking. I got back to this room, and ma'am is living her best life. Look.
Well, good morning, sir.
Finna get in? Jump in. Don't dive in. They clearly. I don't know when to go see.
Alright, we finna go check on this little swan situation real quick. And if it is possible, we're gonna bring it back down here and have a little shoot. You know, how we do. Let's see. Update. Swan is accounted for. We're gonna try to go to the beach really quickly from my room, and hopefully we're walking in the right direction. So we wanted to get a villa. They were all sold out, and we thought, okay, maybe once we get here, they have some available. Sold out. So that was our guess. Still trekking our way to the beach, and we found it. It's not even that far away from our room. It's so private. Dinner is usually here, and then the bar is right there. You know, we brought our own liquor. And that's the pool. And there's the sun. That was a step. Almost died. Think I could have sued them? All right, y'all. So unfortunately, it is time for us to clear it, or at least check out of the room. We can stay at the hotel until 5 for when our scheduled taxi comes. But we gotta head out. But I'm really gonna miss our room. Like, it was really a good time in here. So I'm gonna try to do this with me in the background. Look at that. We had this nice TV. I mean, all hotels have TV. You had this remote control box. You had this drawer that just had all this good barista coffee, tea, white tea. It just says white and brown. I don't know what that means. I'm assuming there's a difference. Then you had some noodles that you could buy, various alcoholic beverages, various snacks and stuff. Clearly wouldn't buy that. And then in these bottom drawers, you had some other stuff like a French press down here, a coffee maker, you know. You want to get bougie, then you had something to drink your libations in. Then you had this safe in here. No refrigerator, but a safe. They got like 2 safes, so that was hot. Our little deck out there. You see that? Come on, look at that light. How could you be mad at that view? Is a refrigerator? Oh, it is a refrigerator.
It is. I put my rice.
Your sticky rice.
Yeah, I didn't try it.
So it was a refrigerator. Go back. Show them the refrigerator. Show them the refrigerator.
Expensive refrigerator.
It was a refrigerator with a lot. It was stacked, but it was expensively stacked. Yeah, we weren't trying to spend no more extra money.
No more box around here. Let's go.
We trying to do everything on the house at this point. Because, as Black Girl Budget would say, budgets are real. And you stick to them. Even on vacation. Don't let these other people dictate your paycheck. Our bathroom, but it's just short. We just ran through there to take showers and stuff to make it on time before I check out. And this lovely floor-length mirror. See me, bam, bam, bam. This is called basic traveler outfit look. Basic travel through the airports looks. This closet with an iron. None of our other stays had an iron.
No, Beijing had.
Beijing had an iron, but we couldn't find it till literally when we walked out. And oh, wait a minute, too much light, too much sun, but clearing you out. But yeah, the man offered to give us a ride, but we said we're gonna walk and enjoy the scenery. I mean, we ain't got nothing to do for the next 4 hours, so yeah, there's a gym. On that note, we'll probably throw some more B-roll in here and call this the end of this, and then we're gonna travel back home.
Textures of the rice.
I told you.
Let's say it's bad. It's a texture
thing. It's the texture thing.
The rice and salty.
When your wife don't listen to you, and when you tell her it's gonna be a texture thing, why she don't eat that, but she gonna say,
I need to try it.
I don't want to try it. That's just you just don't like food. You don't like no texture. So how would you know?
But you can't tell me I don't try things before I knock it.
But I'm telling you, I tried it so you can knock it.
We have 2 different taste buds.
I'm telling you off your taste buds.
Then if I go by you, I would never try anything.
The devil is, I say, oh my gosh, that look and smell like you should try it. It smelled like you would like it. Did you try it first?
But then you're like, this don't smell right here.
Exactly, for my taste buds. But I give it to you. If I felt like it did not taste right at all, I say, oh gosh, it's just trash. Don't get it. Exactly what I said about that. So we just had some more of the not sticky. See, now you got me saying sticky rice. Of that welcome drink. Baby, they finna get tired of me because round 2. It's like round 4 actually though. Cause we had 2 when we came, and this is round 3, and I'm gonna try to go get round 4 right now. All right, so it's finally time for us to leave. I know, boo. We got like seriously like a day of travel to get back home. It's like plane after plane after plane. So to get here to back to Beijing, and from Beijing to Jersey to Orlando. So yeah, they're leaving it in a nice little Mercedes E-Class, I'm assuming. One more.
Thank you very much, bro.
Thank you.